If you are buying game boosting, coaching, or in-game currency, two names keep coming up, Overgear and G2G. Which one actually deserves your money in 2026? Let's break it down fast. What each platform is. Overgear is a boosting-focused marketplace built for MMO players. Think WoW carries, power leveling, and raid help plus in-game currency for titles like WoW and OSRS. It runs on escrow protection and supports PayPal, and it currently covers around 15 games. G2G is a broader marketplace. It covers boosting, accounts, in-game currency, and items across way more games than Overgear, and it is generally the go-to if you want everything in one place instead of a specialist service. Pricing. Here's the real difference price. Independent reviews put Overgear's pricing at roughly 35% higher than competitors for similar services. That premium is basically paying for escrow protection and PayPal support. G2G, on the other hand, consistently undercuts Overgear on both boosting and currency prices, but it doesn't offer the same built-in escrow safety net. So if price is your priority, G2G usually wins. If you want a safety net built into the price, Overgear's premium buys you that. Trust and safety. Both platforms have strong review scores, but they work differently. Overgear leans on curated seller vetting and structured dispute arbitration. Though some reviewers note disputes can take 4 or more days to resolve and do not always favor the buyer. G2G operates more like an open marketplace with seller ratings, so buyer protection depends more on individual seller reputation than platform-wide guarantees. Bottom line, Overgear's structure is tighter but slower to resolve issues. G2G is faster and cheaper but puts more responsibility on you to vet the seller. Game coverage. If you are a WoW or OSRS player specifically, Overgear's seller pool and service depth in those games is hard to match. But if you play competitive titles like League of Legends, Valorant, or Counter-Strike 2, or you want accounts and items alongside boosting, G2G's wider catalog is the more practical pick. Verdict. So which is better in 2026? There's no single winner. It depends on what you value. Choose Overgear if you want dedicated MMO boosting with escrow protection and do not mind paying more for it. Choose G2G if you want lower prices, broader game coverage, and an all-in-one marketplace for boosting accounts and items. Whichever you pick, always check seller reviews before buying and remember that boosting can violate a game's terms of service. So know the risk before you commit. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more gaming platform breakdowns. Thanks for watching and goodbye.